Today I bought my first Swiss Army knife, and it's the Victorinox Tinker. The Victorinox Tinker. It was very small, light, compact, but not too small and not too feature missing. I also bought this one. This was €2.50, 2.5 euros this thing. Another pocket knife, 2.5 euros versus 30 euros. 30 euro I paid for the. I'm sure I could have found this cheaper somewhere else, but here it was expensive and I didn't want to wait for too long. So if you buy it on Amazon, you will find it cheaper. On Amazon you will find this much cheaper, 20 euro or $20. I would put links in the description for that. This one is Camp Active. I don't know. It's Chinese rebranded. It's a Chinese rebranded pocket knife versus the original Swiss Army knife, Victorinox. This is original. It's not in the nice box, but okay. I will put them to the test and see which one is better. Is there a chance that the Chinese one will be the same as the Victorinox? 30 euro versus 2.5 euro versus 20 or 30 euro. The Victorinox Swiss Army knife Tinker versus generic Chinese. I have a feeling this is not too bad, so I have already one. I have this one from Lidl. I have this pocket knife from Lidl, but look how many layers it has. It has so many things, so many options in it, but it's really huge. I mean, it's really so many things here, and it's a bit heavy. It even has a magnifying glass. So I've been using this one. Seems okay. I mean, pocket knife, but I wanna try this 2.5 euro versus the Victorinox one and versus my existing one, the Lidl one, and see which one is better. Let's find out. Okay, I bought this from a DIY shop. This knife cost me €2.50, $2.49 actually, and it's some Camp Active. It's basically a Chinese no name, rebranded for camping. I mean, if it's working, why not use it? 10-in-1 pocket knife, Camp Active, stainless steel. These are the functions. It has a lot of things, many things on it. Made in China. That's made in China. Pocket knife. Okay, so it's not much there. I will use because I will compare it with this one. So I will use this. I'll use the small blade on my Victorinox knife. Oh, which one? This one. The small blade is for unboxing. Oh wow, it's really like butter. Close the blade, always closing the blade. Let's see what's here. Oh, feels sturdy. Pretty good feel on it. There is some blue piece of stuff here. I guess this was some kind of protection for this material while it was in the factory. They removed it, but not all the way. Okay. Has this annoying flopping stuff. The weight is pretty good, but compared to my Victorinox, compared to the Swiss Army knife, this is my Swiss Army knife Victorinox Tinker, and this one is a bit shorter. Tinker is lighter and feels more compact, more quality. This is a bit roughed up, a bit like not so. Oh, this is also a bit difficult to open, and this looks like, wow, a bit junky, but okay, though it opens, so not too. I mean, it's €2.50 this thing. This was €30. And you can find it, I'll put links in the description, you can find it, the Tinker, the Swiss Army knife Victorinox, with $20, €20, 25, 23, depending on the price, depending on the time. Check the links in the description for the Victorinox, and I'll also put links for the cheaper ones. Why not? I mean, yeah, let's see. Okay. Yeah, everything opens hard, really hard to open. This looks a bit, I don't know, like it's not straight. Something is wrong with it. Something is wrong with this cork bottle opener. Okay, I'll put the bottle opener back. I feel I'm afraid for my fingers now. It's really hard to open these things. Wow. This is my other pocket knife. I'll try to use this one. Use one pocket knife to open the second pocket knife. Maybe it's just the first time it's like this. Yeah. So we have the screwdriver. This, I don't know, it's like a file or something. And then this is for sewing, and the cork bottle opener. That's it on this side here, and main blade. It's a bit loose, feels a bit loose. Here it's written stainless. Okay, is it sharp? No. For comparison, this is the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Even my old knife, yeah, maybe this is also not very sharp. Yeah, same thing. So it doesn't look great. It doesn't look great at all. Yeah. But it's there, okay, so we saw it. Now there is this. Wow, this is so dull. This is really a joke. This is really a joke, such a waste of money. This is not sharp at all. This it needs to be sharpened like a lot. It's dull. The saw is dull on it. Then there is this bottle opener. The scissors, at least the scissors work. They seem sharp. Okay. The scissors are okay. Scissors are fine. And what else is there? And what's this? Ah no, this is the can opener. That's the can opener, and this is the ball opener. But wow, what a nightmare compared to the Swiss Army knife. Yeah, no comparison. Okay, comparing these two, it's really like the scissors work fine on this one, but the bottle opener, I think it would work fine. The can opener, I think no. It looks very dull and strange also. The saw on it is blunt. On this one, I can really just do like this, no problem. It needs to be sharpened. The blade on it is not sharp. I'll show you. Not sharp at all. But while the Victorinox is really feels like quality, and I mean, when you look at them, they don't look. I mean, the one on the right doesn't look that bad, but it's bad. This one from Lidl is much better. The tools on it, they feel like they are more better quality. This is the can opener, the bottle opener. This is the can opener with a sharp edge, much more solid. So the little one actually is pretty nice. And the corkscrew opener, not like this. Okay. So between €2.50 and wasted €2.50 and €30, which could be 20 if you buy from the links in the description, or 25 or 23, I don't know, it depends on the day. Check the links and see how much they cost now. But the nice knife, and wait, I'll take another piece, this one. Okay, it's good enough. It's very sharp, and it has all those extra things. The can opener is much nicer and it's sharp. Can opener is sharp, so it's really good. And you have screwdriver and reamer tool is really sharp, screwdriver is really sharp. It all feels like it's quality. Only thing that doesn't feel like quality is the inside here, a bit shallow, a bit light. Well, this one was a bit so you do get what you pay for, I guess. But the Lidl knife, the Lidl pocket knife is actually a really good alternative, but it's a bit heavier and it has more layers. So if you want really compact, the Swiss Army knife Tinker, simple. Again, this thing happened. Every time when I close this, when I close this pocket knife, this ring gets stuck on the tools every time. I have to get used to it. I could remove it, I guess. You can just remove it, or I will put a bit of cord on it, make it worse. So between these two, I'll say this one, keep this one, buy this one, don't waste your money. But if you don't want to spend 20 or 30 euro on a pocket knife, get one of the Lidl ones, or medium, should be about 10, maybe 10 euro. 6 to 10 euro, 5 to 10 euro. It's okay, but much better the actual Swiss Army knife. That's the Swiss Army knife. This is a multi-tool pocket knife. It's not the Swiss Army knife, it's like a alternative version of it. And this €2.50 was a bad experiment. I mean, it might still work if I try to sharpen it. I'm not sure about the quality of the material on it. And the thickness, the Victorinox one is much thinner, but it's only thin like this because I bought the thin one with 2 layers only. There are very thick ones where they have many layers, like this one with the magnifier glass and everything. Those are really cool. Maybe I will get one in the future. Let me know which Victorinox knife, pocket knife you have. Let me know which Victorinox Swiss Army knife you have, and if you like it or if you want to change, or how many you have, should I ask. And also, if you remove this ring here, or if you keep it and attach some rope, or what do you do with it here. And also, if you can modify this, if it's possible to modify to remove some things and add some things. I don't know. For now, this looks really like the best option. I was thinking if it has a saw on it, but I don't really need a saw. So for really in IT with the computers, the screwdriver is really good. This is really useful to have, but it would have been much better if it was like this in front, so it comes out and I can do like that. That would be ideal. So maybe in future versions, who knows. Yeah, very easy to open, easy to close, very sharp blades, both of them, 2 blades, really good. And the can opener, I can't wait to try that can opener and the bottle opener. So actually it really has the most basic things that I need, and keeping the size small, only 2 layers. Thanks for watching.